Hey guys, it's nice out. The grass is greening up. It's time for spring vlog number 1. So the plan for the day is to get some equipment moved over. And then sometime afternoon, I gotta go move the guy that lays some pipe for us. We're gonna try and move him over here. We move him. He doesn't use his trucks, but we move him anyways. And then, hopefully, maybe, I'm gonna disc some ground for seeding. The 8630, it's a Kinze repowered with the Cummins in it. It's got the big cam. We're gonna be putting it on the Landau to see if it can pull it or not. I don't know if it will or questionable. My baby, the 8110, is gonna go on the disc here so I can do some little bit of work, and then it'll end up on the bean planter. This tractor's gotta get out. That tractor's gotta get out. And that muddy brown thing back there's gotta move too. On YouTube, you get to see all these people that's like, big new equipment reveals. Well, the Van Rockels, here's how they reveal their equipment. We got a new combine here, and it happens to be a 9660. But in all seriousness, we don't like leaving our combines like that. But when you finish harvest on December 17th or something along those lines, and it's already frozen, there's mud everywhere. I mean, we had an absolutely horrendously muddy fall, hence why the combine looks like the way it does. The last thing you want to do is go power wash it, put water all in the bearings and everything like that, so that it can look pretty sitting in a shed all winter long. Still starts even when it's muddy. Besides, shouldn't they be worth more with all that expensive land hanging all over them? Ouch! One of these is different. It's obviously that one, because it's a combine, and those two are utility tractors. Silly John Deere tractor, always hanging out with its hose. Hi girl. Will you start for me? Oh, there's power. This here's the tractor I bought at auction last February. It's got exactly 3,500 hours on it. So, 8.1 engine. She screams. Well, now you can't let me down because I already said that you scream. Been sitting for a couple of, probably since November. Alright, things got hectic there on me for a second. Trying to find a metric fitting that's got to come all the way from Japan for our excavator. Been on the phone forever and ever. But anyways, 8110's out. It's getting ready to be hooked up to the disc. The 4440, we got it out. Had to get a new retainer pin for it to put the drawbar back on it because it got misplaced. We hooked up the Landau vertical tillage tool to the 8630. The 8630 had 3 flat tires on it. The Landau had 1 flat tire on it. When you only got like a 1.5 gallon, 2-gallon air compressor, portable air compressor with you, it takes forever to fill that out. Then you guys saw those get set up. But now we're gonna go hook up to the disc, and then after that we're gonna go get that splicer tiling machine. We'll take you along. Almost. Bingo! Alright, to save a little bit of time, I'll give you the rundown real quick. This is an International 490 disc. We don't use it a whole lot. We just use it to disc up really rough stuff, I guess you could say. So like after we do dozer work, I do use it to break up some sod for doing some seeding, which I'm seeding the front of my show plots this year to some orchard grass. That way it's nice and pretty and looks good. But pulling it with the 8110, we don't usually pull with the 8110. We usually pull with our smallest four-wheel drive, which we call a little twisty. But we're just hooking it up to the 8110 because it's only going to be doing very few acres. But if you look it over, the gangs probably need to get greased. And then I've also got a flat tire that looks like some of my buddies after a Friday night of drinking, flat on the ground. Got it! Here's the rig I'm after. It's got a old Peterbilt light on it. Spicer. Don't know what kind of engine it's running. It's not turboed, so it screams. Transmission, it's like 6-wheel drive. That he's highly modified. Right here's his homemade oiler to run the trains because it uses a rear end to drive the drive wheel here. So he just turns these valves and that's how he oils it. It's like, it's his oiler. Seat to run. And then big tile has to come over the top. It's an older rig, but he's put a lot of pipe in for us before and does a really good job with it too. He's very meticulous. So it's not beautiful, but it gets the job done. Let's go see what it does. About forgot that these things don't run on hopes and dreams, and that they run on the Case International tiers. That's why the diesel fuel's red. Next time it's going to drop down. Front wheels on. It's going to be really bumpy for you guys, but it's kind of throwing clods, but that might be what we need to do. It's like we got to get this opened up here so it'll dry. We'll see what the boss man says once I get up there to him, see what he thinks of it. Okay, we got one last tillage of the night, and that's to get rid of these ruts I left here. Pulling that anhydrous bar home. I'll show you guys a quick clip of that right now. now that my ruts are gone, I'm going to be calling it a day. I got to put the tractors here away. Then I got to go pick my dog up from Wayne's. Then I can scoot on home, watch the NCAA final game. Tomorrow we'll be doing some tiling work, I do believe, and I'll be making a video of that. Probably going to make it spring prep number 2. I don't know if I'll call this a planting vlog or what, but we'll figure that out because it'll be in the title, obviously. But anyways, thank you for watching. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was in the comment section below if you would. Hit me with the thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more coming. Catch you on the next one. Well, I'll throw this clip in here for you diesel nuts. This tractor's probably my favorite one to start up. Smoke show. I'm telling you, deers run on Case Hopes and Dreams.